celebrate. Hey! You come to jubilate. Hey! You come to celebrate. Hey! You come to jubilate. Hey! You come to celebrate. Hey! You come to jubilate. Hey! You come to celebrate. Hey! My God is good, yeah. Hey! God is good, yeah. Your God is good.
Right now I am stepping on some people's destiny. Then we are rearranging some people's destiny. Hey, man, be careful. These are destinies. Hold on. I'm inviting our DJ Modi.
So we have a winner.
Every year, Cool FM they do them famous praise jam where they carry reach up to 6,000 people come. If you know pass self, men, women, and even children they there. This event they give opportunity to the Cool FM fans to meet with them Obonge presenters and to also win better prizes. And the oga pata on top this prize na brand new chassis car. We won lucky winner to carry go house. The winner of this chassis car for 2014, Adesua Odia, don happy wella as them present the car giver. So say she no fit hold her emotion.
Oh, she's so emotional.
I go present to you the owner of this, in fact, Adesua, this waka come, I beg.
So I don't even go out. Well, my friends, we will be fans together for Wazobia FM. We don't they go out. So I just decide, say me I go back inside. Me I just go sit down. Me I wait make everything finish. So as I call everything, my card still there with me. I just hold the card. I say me I they go. As I just they go. They just call my number.
Thank you, Jesus. Oh, I get my car. Hey.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You know, Endel, as Cool FM Praise Jam still get another lucky foundation where they carry 1 million naira give on top of charity. And this foundation, na Lot's Foundation, where they Dustbin Estate and they cater for up to 126 children, where even some of them don't graduate from secondary school. The founder of Lots, they very excited as she thank Cool Wazobia Info plenty. Come add as she could use the money.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Plenty congratulations.
Thank you. So waiting.
I see your smile get 100 watts. You big baby. But I want to understand waiting you take do, as in how you take do and way that your way this one end.
I know if you talk this one for English, make I talk her for Pidgin, make I talk her for English. Consistency pays. If you do something over a period of time, people go know you for what you do. I don't do this for 10 years in 2005 to 2015. As we chop the chicken and they chop the vegetable for the resource center, we will remember now for your office. We want to say God bless you for all the way you don't do for us. And more, only I got to help.
As I was saying, I'm on top of our show. Bye.
Now so Adesua waka go house with the chassis car and Lot's Foundation also waka go with 1 million naira. We can follow the group managing director of Cool Wazobia Info talk.
Thanks to this man we do here. I know I won't know the band. I know that my oga. My one and only oga, Mr.
I know that your oga, and they your colleague, and they feel good, and they feel super good, and they happy for everybody. I was touched knowing from this young lady that for 1 million naira she defeat 165 people. They give food for 165 people for 4 months. I mean, I don't know what to say. I feel so good when I see, because I know how we spend money in the company. I know people how they embezzle money, but for this lady to find in her organization ways, you have to optimize ways to feed 165 people for 4 months.
I know say now una no go wan miss 2015 Praise Jam. So until December again, bye bye. My name na Maka Okudiafo.